Red Shield will now guide you through the use of our wire-free home security solution. The Red Shield WS-100 is composed of an LCD display smart panel, a motion sensor, 2 door sensors and a remote control device. To set up the smart panel, take care in removing the demonstration battery. Insert battery into the smart panel. Connect the AC power adapter to the smart panel. To change the pin, please key in the default pin 1, 2, 3, 4 and press Enter. Press Setting button. Press 1. Enter a new 4-digit PIN and press Enter. Confirm the new 4-digit PIN by entering this and press Enter. To activate the system, enter the 4-digit PIN and press Enter, followed by the ARM button. An exit delay countdown will begin, allowing the user to leave the area. Upon a breach, the delay countdown will be observed on the smart panel. The alert mode allows you to know whenever a person has entered that entrance. To set up alert mode, enter in the 4-digit PIN number and press Enter followed by Alert. To deactivate, re-enter the 4-digit PIN number and Enter. Home mode allows you to assign sensors to different zones, which can be put into alert or ARM mode according to requirements. To activate panic mode, press ARM and Alert. Deactivate by entering PIN and Enter. Enter the 4-digit PIN number and press Enter. Then press Setting and 2. Point the remote control towards the smart panel and press any button. Finally press Enter on the smart panel. We thank you for your interest in Red Shield security systems. Red Shield Security can easily incorporate additional sensors and new types of sensors for a complete home security system. If you have any questions relating to installation or upgrade of this or any other Red Shield product, please contact our representatives.